I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. Just more lip syncing.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
And I don't care about the presents underneath. It would have worked if they never have the tour whip on the camera, but the Christmas tree.
25 years after embedding itself deep into our ears and our hearts, Mariah Carey's infamous Christmas song, All I Want for Christmas Is You, will return to make a mark once again. Not like it ever left though. On Wednesday, Amazon announced the song would get its own mini documentary, rightly dubbed Mariah Carey is Christmas. A whole documentary, mini documentary.
Then me love, from the song play, every Christmas, you ever find a Christmas where you not hear this song about 50 times? Talk true to God love. It's like, honestly, it means Christmas when you hear it. Anyway.
Yeah, I didn't get to see the trailer, but there's a trailer that goes with it. So there's a Mariah Carey, she continues to pocket a bunch of money from this festive track, which came out 3 years after I was born, 1994.
That's so funny. Oh
so
my gosh.
In addition to profits from traditional sales and streams and downloads, she continues to earn from this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, The Economist, the article, reports that Carey made more than 60 million in royalties.
In just royalties from the song.
Between 94.
Like, she sang the song, did nothing, and she made 60 million
in
US
94
dollars.
to 2017.
That is insane.
Why?
She's made more money off one song from I've been alive and then I've ever seen.
Yeah. That's big though.
It's insane. But big up yourself, Mariah. I don't know if she can still sing the song the way it sounds.
She married to Nick Cannon.
Did marry to Nick Cannon. They're divorced.
Mariah.
Yeah, and she has twinsies.
Mariah.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna bother with that. Okay, next one, right? This one was kind of just shocking for me, and I really found it. A pregnant woman, she jumped from a building, and this one is troubling because there's so many things to worry about. When pregnant at 4 months pregnant, Marie was out partying with friends in Bayshore Harborview. Yes, this is Jamaica, guys. On the 23rd of November, when the unimaginable happened. Gunmen masked as police officers and soldiers invaded the party and just started spraying the place with bullets. And fearing for her life, ignoring the fact that she was pregnant, I think she was also fearing for the baby's life too, she jumped off the roof of the 2-story building where the party was being held. Yeah, she choked off. Many persons thought that she would have lost the baby, but she landed on her back after taking the plunge. I don't know if you know, but landing on your back when you're pregnant is actually worse than landing on your stomach, unless you're very, very big pregnant, because you damage more that way. She had to be admitted to the hospital for roughly a week because her amniotic sac, what's that? You know, the bag with the baby in it, it had ruptured, and her womb got ruptured. Oh my God. But she said everything is back on track now. And that is just the miracle of God and the human body, because it must be a miracle. You don't think people survive those things, you know?
You know, say, a man not gonna do that.
Chuck off?
He's not gonna jump off of the building.
Just like how you always hear say, woman, if somebody try to them something, them open the door and roll out. You never really hear about a man and do that. Why?
Not gonna jump off.
Why?
I wouldn't jump off of the building.
Why
either.
you wouldn't jump off the building?
No.
Instead of being shot and killed, you wouldn't take the option to chuck off the building and probably break a foot?
Yeah, broke my foot and the pain. I don't think I jump.
Would have chuck?
Boy, women, do some things sometimes.
Me would have chuck right off. Tuck and roll.
Yeah, but it's sad though that it had to be in a circumstance like that though.
And also, it's like them TVJ get too brazen now. Masked as police officers and gunmen.
You ever see the thing? Was it Clarendon?
Yeah, man, where they broke into the
trying to stop and them look like it's a war.
They might take this thing go too far now. And guys, make we ease up now. It's Christmas.
No, don't ease up. No, stop.
Come on.
Come on, walk a Grand Market and them something there. I miss Grand Market, you know.
Hey, you can't do that no more. You guys are messing with the
I got Manchester for Grand Market.
Oh yeah, this one is definitely for you to read.
All right, so after 18 months actually of waiting for the verdict in Vybz Kartel's case, the Court of Appeal has finally indicated that the ruling would be handed down in short order. Not short is. The court, through Registrar Stacey Ann Reid, said in a letter to Cartel's lead attorney that it is in advanced stage of preparing the judgment. The letter was sent to Tom Tavares Finson, QC, and copied to other attorneys in the case, stating that as soon as the appeal is ready and the court has set the delivery date, all parties will be duly notified. Bert Samuels, who represents Vibes Cartel, and his co-convict Sean Storm, said he's aware of the letter. However, he has wished it had more details. And I quote, "Anxiety raised, that's it. I wish they were further, but anxiety raised," end quote. And he said, adding that he's hoping for a positive outcome, from the whole case. And the news team reached out to Valentina Robertson, who represents Palmer, said she had not seen the letters yet, but she's excited about the news.
Wonderful.
Yeah, and I saw the ER interview last night with Bert Samuels, and this has been going on for a very long time. This is a massive case because even HBO now wants to do a documentary on the case. And you know how I feel about it, a lot of people feel about it. And it's captivated the entire country, and not just the country alone, the region and the world. Because some people have expressed, sadness at his pending, permanent incarceration, or the possibility of him coming out. So it's 50-50 sometimes, I feel, because even though he's in prison, he's making hits after hits after hits.
Okay.
And hits.
All right, guys. So it's Christmas.
And hits.
All right, and Weekend Smile is all about Christmas today. You've heard what we talked about on our trending topics. Please let us know how you feel on all our social media platforms. There will be more on Weekend Smile after the break. That's it for the trending topics. It's still going, hits after hits.
After hits.
After hits.
It's still going and hits.
We'll be right back.